convenient solution for a wellness routine right in the comfort and safety of your own home. Roll out the upright folding track, nudge the support latch, and watch as the deck safely lowers itself to the ground. Hop on, place your water in the convenient bottle holders, and connect to your favorite app via Bluetooth to track your workouts and keep them interesting. Attach the safety cutoff leash and get to it. You can set your own pace or choose from 12 pre-programmed workouts. The crisp LCD screen displays your run time, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate, while the textured belt provides the perfect amount of traction. Whether running or walking, handrails are there for your support and are equipped with pulse sensors to help track your fitness. Revitalized and rejuvenated, simply lift the deck, stow it away, and get on with your SereneLife.
Transform your life with health and fitness. Run, jog, or walk with the T7603 Motorized Treadmill. Receive a better workout experience with an ample treadmill deck, providing more space to give you the confidence to go harder and faster. Pre-programmed one-touch speed buttons quickly go to the marked speed. The convenient multifunction handrail controls speed and allows you to stop and start your workout with ease while reading your pulse rate. 3 levels of adjustable incline increase your workout's intensity, while 6-point shock absorption system reduces the impact on the body while running or walking. The Treadmill's center console holds 2 water bottles and displays all your fitness stats, including speed, time, distance, calories burned, along with 9 built-in fitness programs and body quality calculator, keeping your workout versatile and customizable. The convenient soft drop system controls your treadmill deck to slowly descend, protecting floors or injury. After a completed workout, utilize the transportation wheels and store away your treadmill. Take your fitness routine in stride and start your journey with the T7603.
Keep yourself fit and active while working with UREVO. Under-desk Treadmill offers foldable design, coming in lightweight. In order to enhance your user experience, comes with a remote control that can adjust the speed of up to 3.8 miles per hour. You can also access the speed of up to 7.6 miles per hour just from the tip of your finger on the handrail button. The innovative screen, which clearly displays time, speed, distance, and calories, simultaneously adopts one-touch design. You can easily get your desired exercise needs. This treadmill packs a 2.5 horsepower motor that provides a smooth and powerful running experience with a user's weight capacity of up to 265 pounds. It comes with a premium 5-layer, 16.9-inch widened running belt so that you can walk safely without working up sweat. 8-piece silica gel column, built-in deck to prevent any potential injuries. It's a feature you're going to love from day one. If you're looking for a treadmill that can be used for running as well as walking and offers great portability features, UREVO Treadmill will be a great choice for you.
Leading a healthy, active lifestyle is so important these days, and the REDLIRO folding treadmill is the perfect choice for people of all ages who want to keep fit in the comfort of their own homes. Choose from 12 programs with different preset speeds. Use the plus or minus sign to set program duration from the default 30 minutes to any time between 5 to 99 minutes. To all beginners and safety-conscious users, the handrails come in very handy when you're running fast. With so much customization and control, this treadmill is the perfect choice for anyone who wants to stay fit and active at home.
The workout solution is here. No space or save space with the space-saving folding treadmill. This walking or running treadmill can virtually fit in any room or office. The space-saving design carries a small footprint. Simply unfold and hit start to get your workout going. This treadmill is designed with the motor mounted below to create more running space. The powerful motor has a maximum speed of 7 miles per hour. Walk for those lighter workout days, or up your tempo by running. See all your gains and losses on the multi-display backlit console. Simple to use buttons to quickly start and stop. An auto pause feature so you won't lose your workout progress. This treadmill has built-in transportation wheels for portability and folds easily for storage. Whatever your fitness goals, this space-saving treadmill will get you there.